Hi, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series, and today we will do something easy, so I hope you will enjoy it and everything will go smooth. But we need to start, of course, with our proper belly dance position. So feet are parallel, they are located underneath your hip bones, knees are a little bit bent, pelvis tucked in, the belly is long, the chest is open. And what we want to do with this position today are accents in our hip accents. They are going to the sides, or to be exact, they are going in diagonal because it's side and up. So diagonal, but of course they are called accents, hip accents, and you can add to the sides because of course we can have different accents in our hips. But what you want to do now is to widen your position of feet a little bit. Don't exaggerate, so don't do a big space between them, just a little bit from the neutral position. The knees are bent. It's really important here because we will work with our knees, and the basis for this movement is changing our body weight from one leg to another, working with our knees and with our hips. So when you work with your knees, naturally the hips will go up and down, up and down, up and down. And you change your body weight from right to left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So the knees are working all the time. And one knee is always more straight than the other, but you don't want to do this. You don't want to sit and you don't want to block the knee. So one is more straight than the other, but you never block the knee. You're always in this ready to go position. And what you want to do to make an actual accent is to change the body weight, work with your knees, work with your hips, but put now a lot of strength to push the hip to the side. So instead of just changing your weight, you put strength and go hop. So we've got track, 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 track. And in this way we create an accent. So I'm changing my body weight, but with a strength in my hip, I'm doing the accent. Hop, 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 hop. And I've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Your thighs and your belly and your butt, all of them are relaxed, so you can have this let's say shimmy in your body created by the accent in your hips. Side, 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 hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you put a lot of strength in both sides. Everything you got. Hop, 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 hop. And we can try to do this 2 times to one side. So I'm going right and then go back without the accent, and one more time right. And then left, go back without the accent, and one more time left. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, and one more time right, left, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Strong accents with your hips. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and this is how you do accents in your hips. So if you like this episode and you were able to do hip accents, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button to be notified about new content on my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts or questions, leave a comment in the comment section below and I will try to answer to help you with the basic movements of Oriental dance. And if you are interested in more advanced combinations, or if you are interested in history, culture, language and everything that is connected and important for belly dance, go and check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, because I talk about these things in the videos from this series. And of course, I invite you here next week for the next lesson with another basic movement of belly dance. Thank you very much for your time and see you next week. Bye!